First day of new coats. What you doing, Strider Biter? What you doing? Where'd that Bella Willa go, huh? Where'd she go? There she is. Get her. Well, you guys are making me dizzy. Strider, take it easy. Run into me next time, Bella. Oh, nice chilly 70 degrees. They came out this morning and they were so cold. Huh. Y'all were so cold. See, it's about time we got something to keep you guys warm, huh? Oh, goodness gracious. What you doing over there, Bella Willa? Huh? What you doing? What you doing? You got your new coat? And an obnoxious brother. Okay, folks, just thought you'd get a kick out of this. Ciao.